Today I will be introduce you to the browser extension developed by Global Advertise Support called the Facebook Ads Checking Extension. It is used to support people with multiple online businesses with multiple ads accounts. It will be provided for free for the first 2 months, and I will leave the link on the video description below, available for free download. Okay. Just a quick overview of the extension and its function. It is to check the spending limit, status, balance, threshold, and currency of all of your ad accounts linked to a certain Facebook account. You can check all of that at once, and I will show you in more details in a bit. Now, after you download the file, you would see a zip file here, and then you can extract it. You can extract the file. We see the folder on top. Okay, now go to your Google Chrome. Right, go to More Tools, Extension. Turn on the developer mode. Make sure you do that, and then load Unpack. It should open your and then go to Tool. Click on the Facebook checking account. Select the folder, and there it is. It's ready to be used. I will show you right now. Go to your Facebook account. And then go to that, pin it, turn it on, and just wait a minute, and you can see all of the ads accounts linked to this current Facebook account. You will know the account number. You can check the balance, the available balance, the threshold, the spending limit, the actual amount spent, and you can see the currency of the amount spent on there as well. On the left column, you would see the sign, either a red or a green. The red sign means that the account is deactivated or inactive, and the green signs mean that the account is still active. Each of the page can show up to 50 accounts, so there's a lot that you can do with it. And it's very easy to use. You don't have to log in and out and check each account individually. You can see it all there. I'm gonna save a lot of your time. If you like it, please give us review feedback. We appreciate your support. Thank you.